like a revenge or getting back or make even, right?
Just like me earlier.
Yeah, fighting back.
Yeah, fighting back. Yeah,
What's that?
yeah, that's right.
You said
Okay, before we start, there is a word here, assumption are shaky. What do you mean by this?
they're not stable.
They're not stable or they're not always right.
They're shaking with anger.
Shaky. Okay, so we begin with the
Oh,
story. So there is a busy woman, traveling woman, maybe a business woman. So she has mostly travel in airports. So one day, she decided to buy a cookie, and while waiting for her flight, she bought the cookie so she can enjoy while waiting and while reading her books.
Mm-hmm.
So she sat down beside a man with a suit, a gentleman with a suit. So she enjoyed waiting, and while reading, she's enjoying her cookie. Okay? But while she's reading,
He took the cookie.
she heard the paper is moving and the sound of paper, and she saw the guy is
Taking a cookie.
getting a cookie from the bag. So, and then maybe you wonder why this man is getting a cookie from the bag. So she wondered, then they didn't know each other, right?
And why is it in the middle?
So she said, okay, that's okay. I just continue reading my book while waiting for my flight. But while she's reading, she heard again another sound of the paper bag, and the guy is getting another cookie. So if that was you, what you gonna think? The guy rolled her eyes, saying, what is this guy? Eh? Then it became to the last cookie. So only one last one. What happened?
He took
The
it.
guy get it and have it and gave her the hug. And she grabbed it fast like she's really mad. Okay?
Is she mad?
She's mad.
She doesn't look mad.
So she said, what? So what do you think?
That's not hers.
It's not hers? What do you think? She's mad.
she's literally
If
in
you're
shock,
if you're the girl,
She's in shock.
but if you're the girl, what? You're gonna think about this guy. This guy is so, I don't know.
I would thought he was homeless.
But she's in suit, right?
Okay, but not everybody.
So in this story, we
Try to
we
be
can
nice.
assume based on what's happening, but our title assumption are shaky. So the time that her flight was called, she get her passport, and he is surprised. There's another bag of cookie in her bag.
See? It's
And it
not hers.
says,
Mommy watched
if
it
mine
on
are here, then the other were his. So she's getting mad on the guy while she's the one getting the cookie from him. Right?
Yung kanya eh.
So it was so embarrassing.
Ma, you literally watched
Right?
Facebook.
Okay?
It happened.
So it happened to you? I think it
Yes.
happened to me.
This happened to me.
It happened to me.
Happens to me.
I got mad and then it's a wrong thing. So,
No.
It happened.
They took from me.
Okay, so you.
So, this is like normal to you, man.
You will react and then
And then,
you don't
it's
know
you!
that
It's not the
yours.
ones! It's you that gonna be
You
embarrassed!
That's why I don't stay near people. I can't, man.
Okay, so that was story. I hope it's good. So we go to Matthew chapter 5 because this is all about concerning retaliation. So you heard that it was said, an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth.
Yes.
But I say to you, do not resist an evildoer. But if anyone strikes you on the right cheek, turn the other also. And if anyone wants you to sue you and take your coat, give your cloak as well. And if anyone forces you to go 1 mile, go also the 2nd mile. Give everyone who begs from you, and do not refuse from anyone who wants to borrow you. So we will discuss that one by one. Is this kind of hard thing?
Yes.
Hard or very hard?
Very hard.
Very hard. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's discuss first. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. This is like even, right? Even. What do you think of this? What is the meaning of this? In your own words.
Sa mata.
We trade.
Ngipin sa ngipin.
You
Say
can
the
give
same
example or you can explain.
Trade for the same thing.
What?
Trade for the same thing.
Trade for the same thing? If it's evil?
Yes.
It means if it is good?
Yes.
So yeah, what do you think about that? An eye for an eye and tooth for a tooth.
You ask for something.
Is this like a staring contest?
Big eyes.
if you gotta study about it's kind of like a brutal thing, eh?
What?
Yeah, an eye for an
Well,
eye.
literally, yeah.
Yeah, tooth for a tooth. What you do, like, is this the same thing as this? You'll never get away with that. You cannot do that to me. I'll get even.
Yeah.
Is this the same?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you do that, right? You never get rid of that. You cannot do that to me. I'll get even.
Yep.
Right? Or is this the same as whoever does anything to you, get them back?
Yeah.
Is this the same? Okay. We all agree?
Yeah.
I'm just asking.
Happen.
And he pokes you in your eye, you poke his eye too.
Yes.
Is this the same
Even.
thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
To make it even.
Yeah, okay. Knocks your tooth out, get his.
Yes.
The same. Okay, so this is like commonly what other people thinking, right? Even you heard it maybe from your friends, from other or movies, right? An eye for an eye, and for tooth for a tooth. That was in the Bible. So get even.
It's all fun.
You scratch my car, I'll scratch yours.
What if I don't have a car?
So that's all.
Right.
This guy scratched my car, I'll scratch.
Why? It
his.
happened to me. But it's accident. But it's not me.
What?
What? That happened to me.
What is
But
that
not
mean?
Her car. They thought that I scratched her car. But
Oh.
it's not me.
Oh,
It's
okay.
I don't know who's the ones. And then when I came to work,
She scratched Mama's car. Okay.
my car has a
So
scratch.
this is like
Why not scratch with a key?
yeah, scratch with the key.
It's not scratch. Hey.
Okay, so in summary,
Then I look for her car. I can see it. So I can do it to her too.
so deep down in human heart is a retaliatory, vengeful,
But you know what
spiteful
happened?
spirit.
Oh, God.
She's fired out.
Ma, stop.
No!
So here is the man.
No! I didn't know that.
Stop.
But
You
I,
recorded it.
no, I asked them.
Stop.
But she's fired out. So,
Okay, so
We recorded it.
haven't you
you know what
wondered?
happened?
Haven't you wonder why we are like that? Because this is part of the curse of the sin. You know when Adam and Eve, when Eve was tempted by the devil, so that came to them, parts of the horse, and then it goes to us. So that's why you maybe sometimes you feel the same way. Oh, I have to get even. He's not fair to me. I have to be totally fair, right? So it comes in strange ways. Sometimes you maybe revenge more than they did to you, right?
Not even.
Yeah. Okay. There is a part of human nature to not let anybody get away with anything until you told them or let them that they cannot do that to you. Are you like that? Like, no, this is not right. She have to know what she did is wrong. She has to know it, or she has to pay for it, right?
I don't know.
You don't experience that?
I don't look.
Good.
I don't go with people. So I don't know.
Okay, but this is like commonly happening to other people too.
Yeah.
Maybe to us.
Yeah.
Deep down in the human heart is this retaliatory, get even kind of thing,
Yes.
and it's everywhere. You see, it's everywhere in the public, in the school. You like hit someone and you have to say sorry, or else she's gonna say something. Hey, you don't have to say sorry, something like that, right? So this is normal, right? It's normal. It's like it's kind of in us.
Not normal.
Like that one guy who hit your car.
But the way God